Welcome to the Checkout Guide. In today's video, I'll show you how to move a payment method to the bottom of the checkout page using the Next Reorder app. So this is useful if you want customer to see your preferred payment option first. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Let's get started. First, we can go to the app section. Here we can choose the Next Reorder app. So here in payment method, we can click on Keep Reorder Payment Method. So to configure the role, here we can give the role name as Move a All to Bottom. Okay, now the role status is activated. Can select the payment method. Here I selecting like PayPal. Okay, now we can give it as very last option. Let's check one. Okay, we can give it an 8 option. Okay. Okay. So now it is in, I think, 5th option. So let's see. Click on save. Okay, rule has been created. Go to the checkout and let refresh. Okay. It is not updated. Sorry. Here we keep on mistake. Okay. Click on save. Okay, it is updated. Go to the checkout and let's refresh. And let's see. Sorry, it is only first pastry. It is from can you choose to move to the bottom. Okay, now click on save. Okay, updated. Let's see. Okay, yeah, it is now near to the bottom. So the selected payment method displayed at the bottom of the list now. Okay, that's it. So moving higher fee payment method to bottom encourage customer to choose your preferred payment option first while still keeping other payment available. So that's it. He has successfully moved a payment method to the bottom using the Next Reorder app. So if you found this helpful, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.